Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry.
Hey you guys, so I decided I was gonna start crocheting some passion twists into my hair, and I figured this is my first time, so I'll just go ahead and record the video and you guys can see the process. I bought this hair a long time ago and I kept having such a hard time crocheting the hair into my head, so I have been practicing and I think I'm doing pretty good. I have the front part of my hair parted already. I still need to do the back because I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it yet, if I'm going to continue the rubber bands or if I'm going to try to twist it or whatever, but it's just not long enough yet for me personally to braid it into braids and then crochet it into the braids. I guess we will figure it out as we go. So a couple things I did was just obviously part my hair into these sections. I did 4 here, 3, 2, and then 1. So I did that on both sides of my head. I just used this black Castor Miracle braid lock and twist gel to hold my hair down, and this stuff holds really well. I usually use this when I'm doing like a sleek ponytail or something, or sometimes I'll use it for my edges, but it holds really well. So I just did that for my sections, and it's keeping them nice and flat. But I'm kind of proud of myself because it looks cute so far. I got this hair from Amazon. It's called Kaale or something. I don't know, Kaale. And it's cool. It's nice and light, which I like, so it's not pulling on my hair and it doesn't feel heavy at all. It's very stretchy. I've never done twists or anything, so I don't know if this is like what it's supposed to feel like, but I don't mind it. I got 2 different colors. I got a T27 and a T30. They're supposed to be 18 inches, but if you can see here, the T27 looks a lot longer than the T30. I'm kind of mixing it up as I go because I only got 1 pack of the T27 and I got 2 packs of the T30. So I'm just going to be alternating, not in any specific order, just kind of trying to fill up my head. So let's go ahead and finish this up. I have my crochet hook. What I've learned about this is when you insert the crochet hook into the rubber banded area, to go in a downward motion. That way it will keep your hair like as flat as possible, so it won't be all big and bulky. But I have gotten some of these in and I'm actually really proud of myself because I was able to, I don't know if you can see, but I was able to actually cover the rubber bands, which was always my struggle point with this. I could never get the rubber bands to get covered and it looked crazy, so I would always just like start and then take it out. So I'm excited because it's actually working. So I'm just gonna demonstrate here with this one. This is one of the T27 strands. So I'm gonna take my crochet hook and I have opened the latch. So it's in a downward motion. I'm gonna take the hair, put it on the loop, close the latch, and then I'm going to pull it through, and then I'm going to take my crochet hook and I'm going to push it all the way through the loop, take the end of the hair, close the latch, and pull it through the loop. And I realize it works easier if you like kind of hold on to this piece, and then you're just going to pull it, see, pull it and cover the rubber band. So like I said, I'm just going to go ahead and kind of alternate with the T30 and the T27 all over my head, and we shall see how this turns out. So again, we're going to put the crochet hook through, got our hair, close the hook, pull it through, take the hook all the way through the loop, grab the end of the hair, close the latch, and then bring that through the other loop. And I kind of just hold on to it, pull that through so it doesn't get tangled, and then just be sure to cover that rubber band. Okay, do you want me to show you one more time? I'm going to show you one more time because you guys can't answer me. So loop the hair on, close the latch, pull it through, go all the way through with the hook, grab the end of the hair, close the latch, go through, and make sure to conceal the rubber band. See? So I'm just going to continue that around the rest of my head, and then I'll figure out the back, and yeah, then I'll come back and talk to you guys. Okay, I think I need to go the other direction because that'll be where I would be able to middle part it. So I'm gonna switch that. So I'm gonna take this out. I'm gonna go down this way. So open the latch, downward angle, hook the hair, latch it, pull it through, take the hook through, grab the little tail, close it, and then pull it through. And then unlatch. Oh yeah, that was better. Now I have covered the rubber band. When it's all done, I'll be able to pull it up into a ponytail. I think I'm liking it better taking the crochet hook out and then just using my fingers to pull it through. I think it's just easier for me. The hook keeps getting stuck, so I'm just going to use my fingers. Cover the rubber band, you want to make sure that when you go down, it goes down directly underneath that. So when you're pulling it up, it pulls up and over that. I think that's all of them on top. Let's double check. So this is what it's looking like so far. So now I just need to figure out what I'm doing to the back of it. So this was my initial parting and it looks hella crazy. So I ended up reparting my hair just to try to clean it up a little bit, and then I took the bottoms and I tied it together and then I tucked those up so that you couldn't see it. Next time I am going to do a different pattern on my hair so it's a little bit neater and the rubber bands won't be so close together. And then I continued to crochet the passion twist on the rubber banded sections just like we did on the top. And then as you can see here, I just took some more twists and I put them in between the rubber bands on my natural hair just to make sure I could conceal that as well. And here is the finished look. I probably should have parted my hair a little bit lower on the bottom, but at least I know for next time. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And as always, thank you guys so much for being here today. Have a blessed day. Bye.